Next up is the monthly dashboard, your one-stop view for checking how your business performed in any given month. Think of it as your monthly financial report, but way easier to read. Here's how it works. Simply select the month and year you want to review, and the dashboard automatically pulls all the income and expense entries from your logs. Everything updates instantly: totals, charts, and insights. At the top, you'll see summary cards showing your key numbers: total income, total expenses, net profit. This gives you a quick snapshot of whether the month was profitable or if costs crept a little too high. You'll also find a set of automated charts: an income versus expense pie chart, income and expenses insights, a breakdown of each income category, an expense breakdown across the days of the month, and more. All of these update the moment you switch months or add new data. Super visual, super simple. One of the coolest features here is the amount to goal chart. It compares your actual net income to the profit goal you set in the Setup tab. You'll see how much you've already achieved and what's still left to hit your target. A great motivator to stay on track. Just open this dashboard, grab your coffee, and instantly see the full picture of your business health.